Hey guys, what's up? This is Box, and we're gonna be boxing stuff, and this is pretty weird, because I have someone actually holding it for me. I'll give credit to them at the end of the video. But yeah, so here we have a box. You're probably wondering, why is there a box? Well, anyway, this is part of my stuff, which I did talk about in one of my other streams. But anyway, this is some of my stuff that I want for YouTube, for you guys, which I'm spending money for. And yeah, and this is gonna be something to help me out. So this is the first thing. I don't know how many it's gonna be. Probably like 3 to 4 package, probably 2 to 3 actually. But here's the first one right here. I'm just gonna have this as an unboxing video. I don't know what number it is because we've had so many. And I still do need to convert them over from my main channel. But yeah. There you go. Alright, so here it is. The camera person or alright. So we have this. What? We have this. I don't know if you wanted to look at. And then here's the most important part. This. Ta-da. It's a mouse pad. Yeah. Well, that's not even the best part of this package. The best part isn't this. Well, actually, yeah, it's partly that. But it's just the box. You always want a box. Hey. Yeah, that's pretty much it. This is mainly it. What is I like how you're giving me tips. Oh, this is probably really bad. I don't care. So this is a headset. You can see that. Stop. Hey, stop it. Alright, so this is high fidelity stereo speakers. I'm making a fool of myself with this. Stereo speakers. And it's most. Anyway, I guess I'll just go ahead and open this up. I don't. Oh, that's where the mouse pad went. Oh, but we don't need a box.
What did you just break?
No, there was this jar with the lid off. Oh, I should probably take this out first. Alright, let's do this. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, look at these cords. I don't know what that is actually. Hopefully there's instructions somewhere. Yeah. Ooh. Very squeaky, I can tell you that. I'm actually gonna have to rip it. It looks nice. Oh, it's so nice and shiny and stuff. We have, I don't know which way it turns up. This way. That's cool. Oh, that's cool on the inside of it. I'm just gonna have to watch this. Oh my, I can't. This is so weird. I can't hear anything. What are you doing? Okay. Cords. Oh, this is like rope. That's rope. Oh, that's nice. I'm gonna have to take those off. No, they're really good. I guess they're pretty good. And then, what's this? Some of the instructions may be in Chinese. Well, I have a friend here who speaks Chinese, I think. But he's really bad at it, so. Oh. There you go. And then I guess I might as well do this. For my new mouse that I got, which I tried to record it, didn't work, but yeah. So I want to actually kind of, I don't want to break this. Yeah, I'm just going to do that off camera. But I did get this the other day, a new mouse. So yeah, not that. So that's going to be the end of this video. credits to Sir Trent for being an awesome cameraman. And yeah, so that's going to be the end of this video. Thank you all so much for watching. I'll see you all next time. Goodbye.